95, and this is a Kenley truck stop. And it's almost like a museum here.
Big Ben, come on.
Here, I'll show you this big semi trailers right here.
Big Ben for sure. By golly, it's clean clear to
It's a
Flagtown.
Kenworth
Come on.
truck.
Yeah, some Big Ben for there, Big Ben. Yeah, we definitely got the front door.
Pretty impressive.
Alive. Looks like we got us
Those
a
are
con
people that are
boat.
truckers out there.
It was a dark moon on the 6th of June
this
in a Kenworth
semi-
pulling logs. Cab over Pete with a
It says,
reefer on
Super
and a Jimmy
Truck
calling hogs.
Show.
We is heading for Bear on
Truck
I-10 about a
engineering.
mile out of Shaky Town. I says, Big Ben, this here's a rubber duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down.
Shows a photo collage of, I would imagine, of America.